Good morning, Jeffrey. I would like to ask you today to meet in a bit smaller groups, okay? Because as you remember, today we are presenting your monsters, and I would like to have a chance to listen to each of you and to your presentations. So that's why I don't want to split you into the breakout rooms because then I can't hear all your presentations, but meeting in a bit smaller groups, and with each group I will meet at different time. So here's the list of the groups. 10:30 Lily, Patrick, Władek, Agnes, Janek. 10:50 Hugo, Marina, Nico, Santi, Hania. 10 past 11 Laia, Nelly, John, Anastasia and Emilia. 11:30 Nina, Brinley, Anthony and Miguel. Okay, so the groups were chosen at random by ClassDojo, as you can recognize probably. I just took the print screen of the ClassDojo, and it's ClassDojo's choice. So, meeting in smaller groups. If you're having any problem with connecting to our Zoom meeting, just let me know, okay? We might wait a few seconds, or we'll just start presentations without you and you will join a bit later. So the link to the Zoom meeting is like all like the same for everyone. So you just you just join the meeting at proper time, okay? So and then I will let you in if it's your group's turn. Sorry. And one more thing. As you remember, probably we had some problems with watching G5A exhibitions. That's why I would like you to watch the exhibition videos prepared by the students of G5B on your own. Okay, there are 10 videos, and every day I will ask you to watch 2 or 3 of them, and I will treat it as our unit of inquiry. As you will have a chance to find out new things about the topics we also talked about a bit. So now you will have a chance to go deeper and to learn something from your friends. So for today, Maddox, David, and the video prepared by Agatha, Iga, and Lam. Okay, so you've got the links. So the only thing is to copy the link and if you paste it, should work. Okay, and then you watch the videos. Yeah, so we just click play. Uh, and maths, the last thing. So for today, I prepared 5 math puzzles. They are checking your thinking skills, your logical way of thinking, I would say critical thinking. So no counting actually. I would like you to be a risk taker and to try to solve them. Okay? So, but if you find them too difficult, don't worry. On Friday, we are going to discuss the answers, your answers. Okay? So the puzzles are like went to the about the bicycle show, and at the show there were some bikes with 2 and 3 wheels, and there are 25 wheels altogether. So how many bikes and how many bikes with 2 wheels, how many with 3 wheels were there? And there are 4 different answers, and you're asked to find all of them. So that's it for today. Okay, G5 B exhibition, some parts of the videos, math puzzles, and meeting in smaller groups to discuss, to present your monsters. Remember that each of you is given like 3 minutes, no more. And then you will be counting for the best, uh, monster of your group. And later on, we'll have the final. Don't forget to use the transition words. First, we start. All in all, do something. Okay? So see you at 10:30 with some of you and a bit later with the rest. Enjoy your day!